This is Becky and Minette. They're sisters. Where's the other one? I think Minette is the black and white one. She's very, very chatty. Comes to the gate, climbs up it. Oh wow, look at those markings. Hello, darling. You okay? Sweet, oh fantastic markings. Really interesting looking cat. Hello. We're not shy. That's Bill. Oh, there we go. Where's Minette? Hello. Oh, sweetie. It's very soft. Oh, silky soft. Okay. Whoosh, whoosh. Both at it now. Yeah. Oh, look, would you stop? Oh, shush. I think Bill just wants all the attention. Oh, what a face. Look at that. Lovely, skinny little tail. She's really distinctive, isn't she? Becky. Oh, lovely girl. She's very peaceful. Becky, Minette's eating the camera, I think.